Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, NYSEinstein, from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Today is Wednesday. What in goodness name is going on? We have got a lot of stuff going on. But the market moves are not that substantial. We feel some directionality that feels like sell pressure. Today we had a complete reversal in the gold trade, okay? Gold seems like it topped out at the 2150 level. Right? At 1250 level, my bad. 1250 level. Selling off. Okay, so let me analyze what's going on, because I'm a little bit confused. We're seeing downward pressure on the market in the afternoons. Today, one of the most significant things that happened was that oil broke 40. Okay, we talked about it last week. Market topped out up 12% from the February lows. Oil got up to the 40 level. The Russell was acting really well. Gold got up to 1250. And then suddenly, and then we had the Fed minutes, right? It was clear, Yellen made it very clear that we are data-driven in our decision what to do with interest rates, and that the way it looks, we are not going to raise them any further. We're not going to have an March-April raise. We're not going to have a June raise. Perhaps we may have one in December. She postponed it. That caused the dollar to fall, the market to rally, and everyone got some comfort level that maybe we are going to, while the economy wasn't that healthy, this would be healthy for the markets, and that was what the posturing was. Okay? It coincided with all these toppy resistance levels in oil, in gold, in the market, in the Russell, in the Dow, and the S&P, clearly. Okay? Then what happened? Apparently this week, unbeknownst to me, but through investigation I found it out, that all the little Fed guys, okay, the bullards, all the other guys, started coming out with this information that the economy wasn't, that was a little healthier, and that with the market and the economy could support a raise, and that there was a divergence, a contango von Schlango against what Yellen had made it clear what was going on. And they sort of dropped these seeds that perhaps maybe there should be an April one, maybe there will be a June raise, so their interpretation of the data was completely different. There's dissent amongst the ranks here between Yellen and the other Fed presidents. And Easter's coming. We got the bunnies running around. Little chocolate German bunnies running on, hopping, everything's going on. Okay? We have a 3-day weekend. We've got some toppiness and resistance in the marketplace. We saw a big sell-off yesterday, perhaps related to what happened in Belgium. Today, there is some fear going on. People are not clear what's going on. As dissemination of information comes out about terrorist attacks, market can get a little bit fragile. People can feel a little vulnerable. So we've got three things hovering. We've got a long weekend with Easter. Happy Easter to everyone in Germany. Okay? So there's some profit taking. We have a bounce from the February lows, 10, 12% up. Some profit taking into a long weekend. We've got some chatter amongst the Fed guys that maybe there will be a raise, and that could cause some people to sell the market. And we have basic resistance in the S&P, in the Dow, in the gold trade, and in the oil trade. Today in the afternoon, we had a major sell-off around 2:30. When oil broke 40 and went down about $1.70. So we're re-engaging this oil trade. We're re-engaging the whole resistance levels. We've got a profit taking maybe happening into a 3-day weekend. We've got some selling. It kind of feels like there are guys out there, this market, there's so many million people all over the world who have different posturing in the market, different comfort level and risk level. Okay? Basically what I'm feeling is that Fed dissent is causing some selling, some profit taking coming into the weekend. Gold trade seems to be over. It's going to go lower before it goes higher, in my opinion. Oil, I think, stopped out at this 40 level. I think we've got a little sell side happening here. So tomorrow's another day. Thursday, last day of the week, before Easter. The Easter bunnies coming to town, bird. Be careful. Chocolate bunnies, lederhosen, Wiener Schnitzel. Have a nice day. I love you guys. See you tomorrow.